Hello everyone and welcome back to a new video. In this video, I'm gonna show you guys how to add a text in Adobe Acrobat. So if you guys want to learn how to do it, just follow the steps that I'm gonna show you. As you can see guys, I'm right now in Adobe Acrobat and this is how the homepage looks like. So right here in the left we have recent files, start files, Adobe Cloud Storage, agreements, and right here you're gonna find other file storage. From here, you can add a file storage if you want. So right here in recent, you're going to find recommended tools for you. If you want to see all of the tools, go ahead and click on see all tools. And in this list, you're going to find all of the tools. If you want to find any tool, just click on the search bar and search for any tool that you want. Right here under work with the PDF now, you're going to find open file. If you click on open file, you can choose from your computer any file that you want to work with. So for example, I'm going to choose this PDF, click on it, and here in the right, you're going to have options like share, request a signature, edit a PDF, export a PDF, organize pages, add comments, and lastly, fill and sign. So I'm going to click on edit on the PDF. And right here, you're going to have all of the settings to change or to edit PDF. So for example, I'm going to change the page to this one. So in order to add the text, right here, you're going to find modify page, add contents, and other options. Under add contents, you're going to find text, image, header, and footer, and so on. So we're going to click on text. And right now, in order to add a text, just click anywhere that you like to add a text box. And then you can type anything that you want in this box. So this is it guys for today's video. Thank you guys for watching. See you guys in the next video.